Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to verify your domain name in Hostinger using TXT record. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account, then go to domains, and next to the domain name that you want to verify using TXT record, click on manage. Now go to DNS/name servers, and here you will see name servers, and below it you will see manage DNS records. Now to verify that you own this domain name, or if you want to connect this domain name using TXT record, simply select TXT here from this list, below type, then name your TXT value using @ and here put the TXT value that the other service gave you. In my case, I will use this TXT record from Bravo, which is an email marketing service. So the type is TXT, already done, name @ already done. For the TXT value, let's copy it like that and put it here. Click on paste and hit add record. As you see, DNS record created successfully. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. As you see, DNS record created successfully. This means that your TXT record is added successfully. And to make sure that your TXT value is added successfully, just search for it. So I will click on Command F on a Mac or Control F to get this search bar, use my code, and as you will see, it will be added here in this list below manage DNS records. Now just here be cautious that sometimes this DNS changes takes a little bit of time and patience in order to fully connect. This means that even if you see your code here and the other service does not say that it found your TXT value, just keep repeating, trying to connect your domain name using this TXT value. So be patient, keep trying after some minutes, and it will be okay. And this is how to verify your domain in Hostinger using TXT record. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.